Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fireplace blower is probably one of the most transformative fireplace accessories you can buy, offering a significant boost in heating efficiency and comfort by circulating warm air throughout your home, saving you money on energy bills and creating a cozier atmosphere. This video will guide you through the top models available, helping you choose the perfect blower to maximize your fireplace's potential and elevate your home's ambience. Number 5. Z-Color Fireplace Bellows. Say goodbye to awkward mouth blowing. This bellows makes tending your fire effortless and elegant. It's made of durable brown wood, ensuring years of reliable use. This is a product built to last. Whether it's a fireplace, fire pit, barbecue, or campfire, it easily reignites and maintains your flames. Simply hold the handle and pump back and forth for a steady stream of air. It's incredibly easy to use. With dimensions of 15.5 by 6.5 inches, it's the perfect size for easy storage and transport. It's compact and practical. Take it camping, to your next barbecue, or use it at home. It's versatile and ready for anything. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to pack, perfect for outdoor adventures. If you love camping or enjoy cooking over an open fire, this is your ideal companion. You'll never have to struggle to fan the flames again, making your outdoor experiences more enjoyable and efficient. What people say. The bellows blows enough air to get the fire going well. It is lightweight and easy to use even with old hands. The 15x 6.5 size feels right, big enough to push a solid gust of air, but not so bulky it's awkward to handle. The metal nozzle directs airflow precisely where I need it, usually to get kindling or stubborn logs going. It's straightforward to use, a couple firm squeezes send a strong puff into the fire, and I've noticed it cuts down the time to get a steady blaze, maybe by 5 to 10 minutes compared to just poking at it. The leather feels durable, with tight stitching, and the wood hasn't splintered or cracked yet. It's light enough to wield one-handed. Number 4. GFK4 Fireplace Blower Kit. This kit is designed to enhance your fireplace's efficiency and warmth. It's perfect for various fireplace brands, making it a versatile upgrade for your home. It boasts a powerful, yet quiet, ball-bearing motor. Enjoy the warmth without the noise. It comes fully assembled and pre-wired for a simple DIY installation. Clear instructions are included to guide you through the process. This kit includes everything you need: a high airflow blower, a variable speed control, and a thermostat. It's also equipped with neodymium magnets for easy mounting and noise reduction. It's made with high-quality components and is assembled and tested in the USA. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Check the compatibility chart to see if it fits your fireplace. If you have any questions, please contact us for assistance. It has a powerful 130 CFM airflow, operates at 120 V and 60 Hz, and features a durable Class H motor insulation. What we like. This one is designed for quiet and powerful performance. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install upgrade for your existing fireplace, this is the perfect choice. It's a simple DIY project that will significantly improve your fireplace's efficiency and comfort. Number 3. AIRBLAZE T14 Fireplace Blower. This innovative kit enhances your fireplace's airflow. It's designed for quiet and efficient operation, boosting warmth throughout your home. It features dynamic temperature and humidity programming. You can easily set timers, cycles, and schedules to customize your comfort. Connect remotely via our Wi-Fi app. Access advanced programs, receive alarms and notifications, and monitor climate data from anywhere. It uses a DC motor with PWM control for exceptionally quiet and energy-efficient performance. Enjoy warmth without the noise. It includes a wall adapter and boasts 200 CFM airflow, with a noise level of only 30 dBA. Its dimensions are 15.3 by 4.0 by 3.6 inches, and it features dual ball bearings for long-lasting performance. It's designed to work seamlessly with various fireplace brands, including Lennox, Hearth, Majestic, and Rotom. Enjoy enhanced warmth and efficiency with your existing fireplace system. What we like. Experience the convenience of smart home technology with this model. If you appreciate seamless integration and precise control over your fireplace's airflow, this is for you. Enjoy the ultimate comfort and efficiency with its advanced features and quiet operation. What people say. The quality of the unit is excellent, from the electronic control module, the cables, the blower assembly, and the blower frame assembly. The motor is a PWM, DC motor, and only consumes 12 W of electricity on the high setting, 200 CFM. It seems to move about as much air as the original blower, but at a quieter volume level. I've had this plugged in non-stop for months and it operated flawlessly throughout my winter burns, never had any issues, never had to unplug and plug it back in. This is a well-designed fan unit for a fireplace, especially if low noise is your priority. This unit is relatively quiet even at full speed, but it doesn't exactly blast massive air out of your vents, at full speed, 10. It does move air though, for sure, and will assist in making a more or less decorative fireplace actually heat a room. The gradual ramp-up down speed control is a nice touch. Number 2. Hongso GFK 160 Fireplace Blower Fan. This powerful yet quiet blower fan kit is designed to enhance your fireplace experience. It's built with high-quality components for long-lasting performance and energy efficiency. It fits a wide range of fireplace brands and models, including Heat and Glow, Hearth and Home, and more. But always double-check your measurements before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. With a strong airflow of 160 CFM and a durable ball-bearing motor, it will circulate warm air effectively throughout your room. Enjoy consistent and comfortable warmth. This kit includes everything you need for a straightforward installation. The universal connecting wires, rheostat, and thermostat make setup simple and convenient. The right-angled stand allows you to adjust the direction of the airflow up to 90 degrees. Customize your warmth for optimal comfort. It's built to last with a high-quality motor and durable components. The UL-approved motor ensures safety and reliability. It has a 120V, 60 Hz motor with 3000 RPM and a 1.0 A current. The dimensions are clearly listed, so please measure your existing blower to ensure compatibility. What we like. This blower is designed to fit a wide range of fireplaces. If you need a reliable replacement blower that's built to last, this is a great option. Its powerful airflow will keep your room warm and cozy throughout the colder months. What people say. It was a piece of cake. Super easy. And it works great. You can do this. It was all pre-wired, so all I had to do was plug it in and scoot it to the back of the underside of the fireplace. The unit works terrific. It is quieter than most fans you'd put in your room to circulate air. Not silent, but very quiet. It pumps out the heat. I was amazed at how effective it was. This fireplace blower fan kit was incredibly easy to install. I simply removed the fireplace door, positioned the fan securely in the back with the exhaust pointing upwards, and attached the thermostat sensor magnet. It powered on immediately, and the fan speed controller is a fantastic addition. The fan itself operates very quietly, which is a major plus. I barely notice it running. I've noticed a significant improvement in heat distribution throughout the room since installing this fan. It's definitely worth the investment if you're looking to maximize the heat output of your fireplace. Fit our century wood stove perfect and blows lots of hot air. Number 1. Pleasant Hearth GFB 100 Blower. This innovative blower enhances your vent-free fireplace experience. It offers 2 convenient modes for optimal heating. Simply flip the switch to activate the fan whenever you need extra warmth. Enjoy the ease and simplicity. It automatically starts when the fireplace reaches 113 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring only warm air is circulated. Experience effortless, efficient heating. It comes with a 6-foot power cord and all necessary wiring for quick and easy installation. Everything you need is included. It's specifically designed and certified for use with Pleasant Hearth vent-free fireplace systems, guaranteeing safe and reliable operation. This blower improves whole room heating, making your fireplace even more effective and enjoyable. Feel the difference. What we like. This model offers both manual and automatic modes for ultimate convenience and safety. If you want a simple, safe, and efficient way to improve your vent-free fireplace's performance, this is the one for you. It automatically adjusts to ensure you only get warm air, maximizing comfort and safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.